So this isn't really a cooking video today. I basically was making some egg and cress because I was going to put it in the fridge, which I still am, for later on or maybe tomorrow. And I was boiling the eggs and this happened. Now, when I saw that, I thought that is this like God's way of telling me that I'm destroying the little, what could have been like a chicken? Like, can you actually see that? I don't know if you can see that. And I always put salt in the pot as well of water because the salt actually seals the, well, it's supposed to seal the egg when it's boiling. But can you actually see that it looks like a little chicken there? What would have been like a little chick? Can you see that? And it looks like it's looking down, look, like it's sad. So I just thought I'll share this with you because, you know, these things sometimes happen to me and you try and explain it and no one really knows what you're talking about. But look at that. I couldn't believe it. So anyway, that's my story of the day. Just about to do the rest of the eggs. But yeah, that's like really weird. Look at that. It's so detailed as well, look. Looks like it's got eyes and it's looking down. It's really detailed and it looks like it's got eyes and it's looking down. Anyway, happy cooking and I shall see you in my next video.
Hungry, you bring the food from me.